Hi all, welcome to the session of SAP Basic videos. Now, the objective of this session is to see how to create a transfer requirement for a purchase order. In 95, typically 95% of the scenarios in the business scenarios, we automate the transfer requirement creation for 101 movement type. But let's see that how we can create, if at all it is not a automatic process, then how can we create it manually. Now basically let's go to SPRO. First see 101 movement type. What does it say? I'm going to remove the manual. I'm going to show you that which control um, impacts the manual creation of the transfer requirement. So we are going into the warehouse management, and then we are going into the activities, confirmation, transfers, and then movement types. All right, now the movement type that we would be greatly looking at is 101 right now, because that is the movement type controlling for the goods received. So now we will see that which is a control for transfer requirement creation manually. Now the warehouse that I would be utilizing is VIL. So this is the warehouse number basically. So I will pick up my warehouse number. I'll say VIL, and the movement type I would be picking up as 101. So this is the one. I'm going into the details. Now here you can see that transfer requirements. Basically here these are the two ones. They see manual TO creation not allowed. If you are not checking this, that means you cannot create manual TO. You can create manual TO. If you select this, that means manual TO creation is not allowed. Now this is the opposite one, manual TR creation allowed. So if you tick this, then only manual TR creation is allowed. If you don't tick this, that means manual TR creation is not allowed. So I'm going to tick this because I want the manual TR to be created right now. So I'm not going to make changes because this is what it was. We can see once again, you can see here it was already ticked. So it's already there. So for manual creation we have an activation. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick up a purchase order quickly to see if I have any. ME23N. Okay. All right, we have one. Okay, we have a purchase order history also. Okay, so basically this is the one for which we have already. Okay, there is no TR credit for this. Only the goods receipt is done for one quantity here, but there is no TR created for this particular goods receipt. So let's try to create a TR for this particular purchase order. Now this is you can see a storage bin. This is a dynamic storage bin. Basically it is picking up the purchase order number as your storage bin. Now this is the purchase order what we had. So you can see here. Now let's try to create a TR. Now the transaction code for creation of TR is LB01, but if in case you'd like to come through the path, it's logistics execution, internal warehouse processes, then transfer requirement and creation, LB01. So double click it. Now it has already picked up my warehouse number VIL, and I would like to go for 101 movement type. Now here if I'm going for 101 movement type, it's very important that you tell about the requirement number also. What happens at the header data, if you're giving a requirement number, it will become more easy to create a transfer order. So I'm going to, here you have a lot of options. I'm going to go for purchase order. So this is the movement type 101. 101 is associated with many things like your purchase order, like your storage bin order, Kanban, cost center, sales document, production supply, etc. So I'm going for purchase order right now, and my purchase order number is 5200010109, and I'm going to press enter now. So you can see here I have come to the initial screen of create transfer requirement. If you remember the material that was there, the quantity is one that we have actually created for. So I'm just going to say enter. Okay, it's talking about storage location as well. So BRAW is raw material, that is a warehouse that I have. So TR quantity 1, you can see now this is 2, so it's already been created now. So point number 1 is created. I'm just going to save it. So 54 transfer requirement 54 is created. Now I would like to see if my transfer requirement is created properly. Slash n lb02, that is the transfer requirement change in the change mode. Okay, so here you can see that one piece, this is properly created, and this is the so storage type. That means, I mean, it is picking up from this particular bin. This is a storage bin in 902. I mean, against this particular bin in 902 there would have been tier created. Now automatic TO, you can see here, C means document creator. Okay, it's already created. Okay, no issues. Now this is how you'll be creating a transfer requirement for any purchase order, but typically 95% of the scenarios we will automate it. So to automate it, what you need to do is, I just showed you that in the moment type controls 101 at SPRO level, you would just say manual tr creation allowed. You will not check that. So if you don't check it, that means manual tr creation is not allowed basically, and you will go for immediate tr creation. Anyways, I would be talking about that also in my upcoming videos. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.